Hi, my name is Midwife Sally, and today we are going to talk about the foods that you should avoid during pregnancy. So, this is a topic that a lot of moms want to know to protect their unborn baby. Yeah, so I did some research about it. I'm going to talk about the ones that I really know about first, then I'll ask the rest. One of the first things that you should avoid during pregnancy is alcohol. So, alcohol is not safe in any quantity, whether small, whether just a little. Avoid alcohol completely during pregnancy. Taking lots of alcohol or even a small amount can predispose your child to what we call fetal alcoholic syndrome, and it can affect the intellectual of your brain or your baby's brain. Okay, so you do not want to take alcohol during pregnancy, and also avoid smoke. So smoke reduces the amount of blood supply to your baby. Yes, you want your baby to grow well, have no problems. Make sure that you avoid alcohol. Okay, you avoid smoke, so alcohol and then smoke. These things should be avoided. Yes, and also you should avoid uncooked food. Okay, so foods that are not properly cooked or halfway cooked, vegetables that have not been properly washed, even if it is a vegetable that you can eat in its green form, if it has not been cooked well, they can have bacteria on it that can cause you some problems. And so you would want to avoid foods that are not properly cooked or halfway cooked. Yes, so do not take foods that are and also do not take foods that are cold. Let's say you cooked yesterday and you want to eat it today. One, if you reheat food for a long time, it loses its nutritional value. The second part is that if you do not eat it when it is warm, yeah, so you should also avoid food that is high in mercury. So some of the foods that are high in mercury, okay, or specifically fish. Some fish have high mercury in it, okay, like sharks, swordfish, mackerel, king mackerel, limit tuna. Okay, so tuna too you take but not too much. So all these are foods, and then raw or undercooked eggs. Okay, so if you are pregnant, do not be taking raw or undercooked eggs, because there's something that it's in it that we call salmonella. Okay, and this can also cause another problem for you. So you would want to avoid it. Okay, and then unpasteurized dairy products and juices like um, raw. You go and take raw cow milk, raw goat milk, and all those things, or juice that has not been really processed well. Avoid it. Okay, yeah. So the risk is that it can have something that we call listeria listeria or other bacteria, so you are at risk of getting the listeria, which can lead to a lot of problems, or it has a harmful bacteria in it. Okay, yes, and then we also talk about caffeine. You are not supposed to take caffeine. So caffeine contains something that can cause the we call something blood brain barrier. Okay, and once it crosses that, it can cause a lot of problems for your newborn baby. Okay, so or your baby can affect the brain. And also avoid herbs herbs that you are not sure of, herbal medication, herbal things. They are not good for you, so you need to avoid anything that has herbs in it. Okay, the herbal preparation, the herbal concoction that you are not sure of, please avoid them for the best outcome of your pregnancy. Yeah, so I think I have mentioned many of them: alcohol, coffee, uncooked food, foods that are cold. Yes, limit anything that has to do with smoke. Foods that you are not so used to, you can also avoid them. Okay, yes, and then they have something here. They also said and deli meat. I think it's not so familiar here in Africa, but deli meat and hot dogs. Okay, yeah, so there's also risk of contamination and problems. And also, every food that you eat should be clean. Every food that you should eat should be clean. Okay, so make sure that your hygiene level is high. Where you are buying the food from is high. It's good. Whatever food you eat, you warm it a little. Okay, and whatever you are eating, ask yourself, what nutrients is it providing for me? If it is providing nutrients, then you are good to go. So thank you for listening. If you have any other food that you are not sure of, you can ask in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. My name is Midwife Sally. Bye.